Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll talk about formula using VBA and formula R1C1. So these are the two different type of formula we can apply through VBA. So let's jump on to the practical stuff. So suppose I want to add these two values A to B2 in C2 here. So how can I achieve this through formula? So what I can do, range A2, I can write range C2. Alternatively, what I can write cell comma 2 comma 3, right? Not value dot formula. So now you can see formula equal to, because we put equal to in that. So and then A2 plus B2 and then formula close. If I run this course, it will apply formula there. So you can see the total price over there. How can I achieve the same thing through formula R1C1? So instead of this, what I can write in this formula R1C1, this one equal to. So where I need this formula, I need in C2. So B2, A2 plus B2. So that means in the same row, that is 0 row and column minus 2. So from here, minus 1 and minus 2. Had it been D2, so it would have been plus 1 column, right? So since this is, I'm going to give reference to column A, so it will be minus 2, and for B2 it will be minus 1, and for C it is same, C0, right? So row is same, so I'll pass 0, and even I can write it maybe RC minus 2 plus RC, since we are referring to the same row, just like offset, it works just like offset, right? So we are giving only no row because we are referring only column minus 1, right? So if I write it, run it, so you'll get the output. Alternatively, what I can pass 0 here, although it is not required, but I can pass 0, but result would remain the same because we are referring to the same column. Say for example 543 and this one, right? And here what I want from this row, this column. So column will remain the same, but row will get changed. So that means plus 1 because it is down. If it is up, then minus 1 and plus 1. Let's see result. So now it is adding A3 and B3. A3 and B3. I hope you must have understood the problem, right? And how we are getting the resolution of it. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.